Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and I'm back again for another vlog at we're going to feature this new phone. This is the Honor X7C which is the new campaign ngayon ni Honor is to promote this at ang balita ko daw, yung feature daw niya is splash proof and waterproof siya at I've seen some examples in the internet, no. Medyo hardcore yung kanilang mga water splash proof test, which is hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko, but I'm just want to show the phone kasi pwede na ipakita yung camera recently, hindi pa pwede ipakita because we're still in the teaser stage. This will be available on November 6 daw yung launching daw nito. So this is the Honor X7C. Teaser lang tayo, no? So hindi ko pa alam kung magwa-water test tayo, kung talagang effective siya. But, gawin na rin din natin para magkaalaman na if this really is a waterproof. Hugasan natin to, no? Subukan natin siyang hugasan. Game ba kayo? Kinakabahan ako eh. Okay, gawin na natin para at least alam natin yung feature na to. Kasi nung pinakang first feature niya. Actually, pwede nga daw siyang i-drop test. Pwede nga daw siyang i-submerge sa water. Pero that will be the case of, you know, in accidental thing. Siyempre kami, we're doing a campaign at ite-testing namin to kung talagang matibay. Just to prove na it is a waterproof. Alright, gawin na natin to. Grabe, na-excite na ako. Alright, here's the Honor X7C. Ito na yung tubig at naka-on siya. At ito na siya, yung hugas-hugasan natin. Siyempre, casing lang yan eh, no? Gilid. And the screen. Oh my God. Nakakatakot to. Hunuhugasan pa lang naman natin to, no? So, pwede natin siyang hugasan ng konti. Ayan. We're still doing the washing test pa lang to. Hindi pa to yung submerge niya. Ayan. Ayan, pati ilalim. Higasan natin. Submerge natin. At papasukan ba talaga siya ng tubig. Ayan. It's just a wash test. Hindi naman siya usually submerged, but soon, gawa tayo ng content na hinuhugasan natin siya. Alright. So, una natin to. And that's the Honor X7C.